Hey all, real quick video just to show you our cool new billet gas cap. This is our brand new billet gas cap designed for all the Polaris ATVs, UTVs, RZRs, Rangers. Just fits just about every one of them. It's all billet construction, 6061, fully threaded. It's got an internal large rubber gasket. We put these nice accent set screws all the way in around it. It's two-tone with the machining. Then we had a black anodized and we remachine it to get that dual look to it. It's just a killer piece. It really looks badass. So we'll take off this stock junky plastic cap, spin this one in place, and bam, have instant coolness on your RZR or Sportsman or any Polaris ATV.